My name is Griffin and I studied maths, further maths, physics and computer science at Cardiff and Vale College. I decided to study at Cardiff and Vale College because I felt like I needed a change in environment to go to a place where I could grow and excel at my studies. When I first came to Cardiff and Vale, I felt like it was a very big and busy place. But the longer that I've stayed here, the more that I've learned that all the tutors and people, like my friends, are just so friendly, and it's a nice place to be. The best part of college for me is being able to express myself in the way that I want to, so I can grow and feel comfortable as who I am. When it came to results day, I was a bit worried that I hadn't done as well as I could have, but when I arrived here, I found out that I got 2 A stars in maths and further maths and an A in physics. So I did do pretty well, yeah. What I'm doing now is I'm going to take a gap year out just to take a little break from all the studying before I go to uni to do maths. If you're considering to do your A-levels at Cardiff and Vale College, I think it's a great opportunity to take responsibility and explore your independence in a safe and nurturing environment.